Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be guiding you on how to use Licked for YouTube music licensing. Now let's face it, nothing kills a killer video edit faster than generic uninspired background music that sounds like a corporate training video. But the moment you try to drop a track from a real chart-topping artist in your timeline, YouTube's Content ID system immediately flags your channel, strips your ad revenue, or blocks your video entirely. That is actually the massive problem we're solving today. In this guide, we're diving deep into how to master Lick.co, the game-changing platform that unlocks legal commercial music licensing for independent creators. We're going to break down how to properly sync your channel to protect your monetization, navigate the massive audio database, utilize your monthly track credits, use your automated system to instantly clear copyrights claims, and pick the perfect pricing tier for your specific channel size. Also, if you want to try Lick yourself, you can use my link down below in the description to get a 7-day free trial and start using licensed music in your YouTube videos easily. Now, if you're just signing up for the first time, it is important to follow through with the steps of connecting your channel with Licked. This is essential as Lick requires you to link your official YouTube channel ID directly to their platform. Now this isn't just an administrative requirement, it establishes a live API bridge between Licked and YouTube's backend architecture. Because Licked works directly with major record labels and YouTube itself, linking your channel ensures that whenever you use a licensed song, the automated system recognizes your video as completely authorized. This completely removes the manual headache of dealing with licensing disputes later down the line. So once your profile is configured by following the on-screen instructions, you are brought to the main user dashboard, and this is it. The interface is clean and built specifically for an efficient editing workflow. At the top of the screen, you will find the primary navigation headers. You can see pricing, the search, browse, favorite icon, the cart, and then your account, which is a drop-down where you can see my account, claim statuses, licenses, and my playlist. Now, if you're just signing up for the first time, at the bottom left area, you can see Get Started with Licked. This account is currently at 33 completion, and once you click on it, you'll see what you need to do in order to complete your account setup. The first step, of course, was to sign up to Licked, create an account, and add your YouTube channel. And by the way, in case you're guessing how the steps would be, this is the first step to using Licked for your YouTube music licensing. Connecting your YouTube channel to Licked cannot be overstated. This helps the Content ID system on YouTube to be connected to Licked so it can auto-resolve itself once you're using music from Licked. So this is quite important. And then of course you get to set your music preferences. So let's go ahead and click on set your music preferences. Right here it says, now let's match you with the perfect music for your video. So you're going to click next. So right here you can see which one of the options best describes your content. So let's go ahead and choose some of them. So it's just made our choice. We're going to click next. Which genres of music do you like to feature in your videos? So let's go ahead and choose multiple if we want to. So we chose 3. I'm going to click next. And then because of the information we provided, it's currently matching this account to the music based on our selection. And then here it says, show me the music. So basically that step is done, and then add 3 tracks to your favorites. So let's click at that. And we'll just go with this. We're going to click on the love icon right here. We're going to go to another, code play, and say another one. Good. So we have 3, and we can go back. Because we did that, it says get started with Licked. Complete, right? So we can close this right here, and we're good to go. The next thing we'll need to do, of course, is to start sourcing the perfect audio for your project. Now, of course, we could click on the search or the browse option, but first we'll be clicking on the search because this is one of the options. And it takes us once again to this page where we selected our favorites, and you can see them right here, of course. In case you were wondering, this is the page where you'll be able to see Lick's massive search catalog. which is intelligently divided into core areas. You can use a filter to find these areas. For example, you can see your catalog type if you want premium or included. It's currently selected to all. The instrumental, if you'd like to hide it, or only instrumental to show, you could have that, but it's currently on show, so it's showing everything, and there are 25 genres, and you can see the range right here. Afro, ambient chill, house, jazz, Latin, pop, etc. So your choice is definitely going to be here. And then of course, if you don't want to use genres to search, you can use moods. Click on drop down, there are 26 here. And you could choose between angry, dark, dreamy, chilled, inspirational, quirky, etc. So you can choose from this. And then here you have licensable platforms. So we have YouTube here, of course, and others. So that's up to you. If you want to adjust the BPM, you could use the slider, or of course you could use slow, medium, fast to adjust the range of what you're looking for. And then you have the duration, and the max duration is 17 minutes. If you want to drop it down to about 7 minutes or 9 minutes, that's up to you. At this point, we'd like to remind you that if you want to use Licked, you can use my link down below in the description to get a 7-day free trial and start using licensed music in your YouTube videos easily. So once you've sorted through your filters, you see a catalog of odd sounds that are available. For example, it says right at the bottom right here, showing just 25 of over 1,000. Well, how can you see more? The load more button is here, so you can keep scrolling down. And once you get down again, if you don't find what you're looking for, you can click on load more. Now here's something very nice about Licked. If you hover over a sound that you like, you'll see the similar option. It says find similar tracks. So once you click on find similar tracks, you'll be able to choose from these similar options that are pretty close to what you selected initially. Now once you find a song that fits your timeline, clicking on it opens the official track page. This section gives you an immediate breakdown of the song's length, key, and licensing boundaries. For example, you can see it's only allowed on YouTube. And of course, if you come over here to click on the 3 dots, you'll see more on song information, and you can see right here, usage. So no remixing, no DJ mixes, no lyric art, and 1 use per license. So if you're using this, you can only use it once forever on the track, even after your subscription expires, because when you uploaded it, you had a valid subscription. And then of course, you can see view license agreements. You can click on it, and then it says here, claims managed. So Licked will manage your claims, so there is no hassle on your end. And then of course, you can see license valid for 5 years, and you can use it within 6 months. And there are some restrictions here, which is important for you to get conversant with. Now, if you click on the cart icon right here, it will send it straight to the cart up here. You can see it's been added to the cart. Now, once you click on the cart, you see some options, including previous options that were there. So let's just delete some of these options just to keep things simple. And right here, you can see $36 for 1 standard license. And this is because we're not on a current plan for this channel. And this is how it will be if you don't have a subscription. If you click on the license agreement, which is quite important, it's going to show you what we showed you before, just so you know that this is the license that is allowed for this song. So of course, if you click on pricing, it's going to take you to this page where you can see starter and starter annual. If you choose starter annual, you'll be paying way less than when you're using the monthly option. So if you select the plan, you get to pay, and it says premium tracks equals copyrighted music. So you can see right here, 12 premium track credits instantly. So if you select this plan, you'll be able to use 12 premium tracks right away. So of course, once you select a plan, you can go ahead and have the full license of this song, and you'll be able to use it with your channel. In summary, what you need to do is to make sure your account is connected with YouTube by following Licked's prompt to connect your YouTube channel to your Licked account. Once you do that, you'll be able to enjoy Licked's definitive music licensing for content creators who want to step up their video quality using real mainstream music while keeping their channel completely safe from copyright issues. Everything is done automatic, so all you need to do is to connect your channel, choose the pricing that fits your channel as well, and stay completely free from copyright issues. If you want to try Licked yourself, don't forget that you can use my link down below in the description to get a 7-day free trial and start using licensed music in your videos easily. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.